Oh yeah, that's a big fish. It's a big fish. Do not get off. Oh, listen to that reel scream. He's angry. Do not get off. That is huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. You're doing a little challenge today. And that challenge is 1 hour of wading versus 1 hour of a canoe. We are back in southern Maine. Let's see which one comes out on top. Not sure what we'll catch today or if we'll catch anything, but let's go. Let's have some fun. What do you guys think is gonna produce more fish? I mean, I'm kind of leaning towards the canoe, but let me know what you guys think. Guys, it is so windy out here. I'm literally paddling on the left and I'm essentially staying straight. So this is going to be a little difficult. The canoe might not be it. The waders may be where it's at. Timer starts now. Clock is running. Let's take that first cast. It's gonna be a challenge figuring out where these fish are at. We don't have any fancy gear, no fish finder. Just trying to use what we know. So guys, we are starting off with a red rooster tail with a silver spinner on it. It's a 1/4 ounce. Gotta get out here, gotta get after them, right? Day like this, can't waste it. Oh, that's a bite. Come on, take it. Oh, there's definitely something there. Okay. Yeah, not a leaf, not a stick. That was a bite. Wasn't that far from the canoe. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was huge. He just got off. Oh my goodness. Do not get off of me. Come on. Oh my Lanta. That thing was huge. Guys, I told you. It was massive. Oh, he's on it again. The wind is spinning me away from the fish. Come on. That was huge. Yeah. Do not get off me. Do not get off of me. I don't know what we got here. Doesn't feel massive. Oh, that's it. Yeah, it's a rainbow. Guys, there you go. Massive rainbow. Let's get him in the net. That's out. Give him some water. Guys, I felt this fish. First the nibble, then he really took it. And that is a good sized trout here. Rainbow trout, if we want to be specific. I am gonna lip him As I said in the last video, just to give you guys a look here, it can actually help keep the fish a little bit more calm, or rather protect them from hurting themselves more than they need to. So I did wet my hands. Gorgeous fish, guys. Gorgeous fish. Look at those colors. Maine rainbow trout, second one ever caught. We're gonna give him some water. That is our second rainbow trout ever in the net. Didn't take long. Took about 20 minutes. We have about 35 minutes left on the timer. That's one for the canoe, and we're gonna keep going. We'll see. They were right over there off that point. Can we go back to back? That would be wild. Telling you guys, that red rooster tail getting it done today for me. I can't say I'm too surprised with how effective it is, but I am surprised at how quickly we got one on the line. Repositioned here. Whoop. A little unsteady occasionally. I'm psyched. I can't believe it. I mean, I can believe it, but I'm psyched. We got one on the boat. That means we should be able to get at least one, I'd hope, in the waders, but we'll see. Guys, one fish in the boat with 25 minutes remaining. Let's get it. Oh yeah, that's a big fish. It's a big fish. Do not get off. Oh, listen to that reel scream. He's angry. Do not get off. That is huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Another boat. Do not get off. Oh. Oh my Lord. Oh, guys. What is happening? What? Let's net this one. Give me a good kick, buddy. There we go. We got it. Guys. There you have it. Rainbow number 2 on the line. Gorgeous fish, guys. quick measurement. Up to about 14 inches. We're putting them right back in. See ya, buddy. Whoo-wee. 2 in the canoe. Let's go. All right, that guy was huge, about 14, 15 inches. I just did very quick measurement, put him right back in the water, healthy, got away fine. But what a success. We went from having caught 1 rainbow trout in our lives to now we're up to 3. Let's go. Not bad. All right, it's about time for us to get back to shore to do the wading portion of this, and the sun is setting, so let's go. I'm using a very light rod, so I mean the bend in this thing is just, the fight is fun. And you heard my drag was just screaming on that last one. I mean, the thing was mad. Timer. I don't know why I have such a bad timer, but that's the hour on the canoe. Let's bring this in, last cast, as we head towards crashing into shore. Well, guys, as you can see, we are lacing up the old waders. Feels good to be back in them, I'll be honest. It's been a while. It's been too long. So let's go see if we can compete with what we just brought in with the canoe. Guys, that timer, 1 hour of waiting, starts now. I went out and bought a pair of LL Bean fleece liners for your waders, and I'm not gonna lie, they are making a huge difference. Even just over wearing sweatpants, it's dramatically better. Oh yeah, that's deep. Don't get off, that's a fish. Pretty sure that's a fish. Or it's an active log. Disappointment, guys. At its finest. That out of there. Yeah, guys, the hands are pretty numb. The car ride home, a little heat blasted on them. It's gonna feel nice. But we are toughing out that 1 hour in the waders, regardless. What's your name,
James.
sir? James? That's my brother's name. I like you already, and my name's Jacob.
Jacob?
Nice to meet you, sir.
Well, somebody 2004 put largemouth bass in, and they just went berserk.
Ruined it.
And then a few years later, Fish and Game was out here and netted a large area, and we're checking. He said, "Son of a bitch, there's largemouth bass in here."
Oh no.
This is a kettle pond, glacier, and it's the only inlet is underground springs.
Really?
So our quality of water is extremely high.
Oh
Good.
my goodness. One of the ones I caught was about 14 inches.
Yeah.
Is that like the size they'll stock them at, or do they stock them a little smaller?
10 to 10, 12, maybe a big one in there.
Okay, okay. Wow.
And they're all rainbows, and they're big, and they've got to be big enough to survive the bass.
Guys, with about 10 minutes left on the timer here. Actually 6 minutes. Time is ticking. I gotta put this away. We've seen some big fish jump up out here. So we are gonna go get one. It's definitely dark now, but I just saw something massive jump out there. So we could get a hit. It's prime time right now. 6 minutes left. Let's go. Finish this strong. Wind is all but non-existent at this point. Oh, let's get it out to where that guy jumped. No way we get one more on in the last couple minutes here. That would be epic. Take it. They're breaking the surface all over the place, guys. There it is, guys. That was our final cast. This challenge. I'm freezing. So guys, we are calling it a day. Successful challenge. We caught 2 fish on the canoe, none while waiting, although we are seeing some increased action and activity right now as the sun is completely setting. But we've got to get out of here. So stay tuned for next time. Thanks for watching.